How to make friendship profile on Snapchat. So this is the paid feature. So you need to have Snapchat Plus subscription. You need to have Snapchat Plus, and then with Snapchat Plus, you will be able to pin as a number one best friend. So that's what you will be able to do. So from here you can upgrade, and then to make a friendship profile, just tap on any person and then tap pin as your number one best friend. So this way you will make this friendship profile, and then when you go to your best friend profile, you will see this kind of couple bitmoji here appearing. So that's what you can see. So that's kind of your best friends profile here, and that's just what you can see. By friendship profile, I actually mean like best friend profile, which you can create, and then you will have this couple bitmoji in displaying in a Snapchat.